Get your merch, get your merch, get your merch. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to start up a Shopify dropshipping store. Guys, as you can see, I do have a balaclava store. That's what these little pusheisty slash yeet masks are called, balaclavas. I do have a balaclava store called balaclava.com with 2 L's. But anyways, man, it's very easy to start up a dropshipping store, and I will teach you exactly how to do that. All you have to do is watch the full video. Dropshipping is not easy. It's not just let me find a product and then post it on the store and boom, I can make money. There's many methods to make your store be successful or have a failing store. Methods such as upsells, guys, such as email marketing, and even just how fancy your store looks. Also, you have to make sure that you have a trending product, and if you don't have a trending product, you need to have the best advertisement on the market, and these are all things that can make or break your store. So I'm going to be walking you through how to start up a dropshipping store, how to get set up, and what the back end of Shopify looks like, because you might think dropshipping is hard, guys, but I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and the key methods on how to make your store be successful. But before we get into this video, don't forget to check out the useful links in the description where you can schedule a coaching call with me. 10 to 30 minutes of conversation. I will help you start up your store. I will even make your online store for you. And guys, I do have a lot of educational videos on the channel about trucking, how to make money online, how to build your credit, and I can walk you through all of that in a coaching call at the Calendly/KINGLATTA link in the description. Don't forget to check out the Lotta ebook store where you can get step-by-step ebooks on how to make this money the absolute easy way and how to make this passive income. And don't forget to check out the YouTube memberships while it's for a very, very cheap price for extra exclusive investing content. Back to the video. Woo! So before we get into the store, guys, I just want to show y'all these are my sample products, the products that we have to offer. Some products that I got, you know, just for advertisement over here, man, because most of it is drop shipping. I don't have the products in my actual house. But anyways, man, as you can see, we got the all you need is money. All I need is money. We got the star hats. We got the ninja balaclavas with the heart broken. We got the white heart broken and we got the red one. Balaclavas. We got the regular, and then, man, we got the red balaclava, and we got the OG black mask, guys. So these are just some few products I have. You will need to have some on hand so you can advertise. And as you can see, man, we got Ben Frank on the carpet. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's go. Woo! Alright, guys, so we have the desktop pulled up, and as you can see, this is the Shopify back end. These are my sales within just the last week, guys. I didn't say I was a millionaire store, okay? I just said how to drop ship. You can be a small drop shipper or you can be a big drop shipper, just depending on how much work and effort and consistency you put into this store, guys. And one thing I want to tell you before we start off is that you can absolutely do this for absolutely free, guys. No money in advertisements, all just because of TikTok. So if you don't know already, you could just, like I showed you in the previous clip, have some sample advertisement merch or whatever you're selling, guys. Have it as a sample with you in your house, and then post some regular clips on TikTok every day, multiple times a day, and you guys can start bringing in sales. I only post on TikTok like 3 times a week, sometimes not even that, and I still average a sale a week, guys. So this week I think I have 2 sales. As you can see, average order value $30, $69, $79 is what I've made this week. And like I said, man, we barely post on TikTok, and this is drop shipping. I'm not doing any hard work. I might ship these few products that I have on the floor out just in case, you know, somebody wants fast 2-day shipping, and I can just boom ship it out to them. But yeah, man, we got the trust no one on the mask with the heart broken emoji on the side, man, on the Nike hoodie. So you know what it is. It's winter, things coming up. It's getting cold outside. People want masks. So it's a perfect time to advertise. We do have an online sale. So I want to go ahead and tell you about making sales, guys. So you would simply go to this tab you see right here that says discounts, and then as you can see, we have a Christmas sale. It says scheduled because I just did it. I just scheduled it for tomorrow, but you guys could schedule discounts and you could do sales, guys. So right now we have a 10% discount going on, and you can select the products or the collections that you want to be discounted. And right now I had this going on for tomorrow through New Year's. So that is how you can kind of get some more sales. And guys, if we go to our actual website, you can actually see that right here at the top, it says buy 2 get 10% off. Not order now, receive in the next 3 business days. And these are just tips on how to get orders and how to get people to buy your products, because you have to be different. You have to stand out in some way. Most people that are drop shipping these masks are not shipping in just 3 business days, guys. They're really not. And that's why I have some samples in my room, so that if somebody did want express shipping, boom, it's expressed and they have it. So back to our website. As you can see right here, guys, we have our products. You can easily tap on one of your products. So we have a dry fit ninja mask, guys, only available in white or black. So we have the dry fit ninja mask right here, and you can, you know, add pictures. You can actually add the pictures from your phone. So if it's a lot of work trying to get pictures to your laptop on the website, you can just download the Shopify app on your phone and add the pictures from your phone, guys. You can add all the information in right here, and this is what it would look like on the search engine. So if somebody was to search what you're trying to sell, this is what it'll look like. And based off of your search engine and popularity, you can go in here and edit it up so that you know, when people are searching things, it'll be more so popping up, so where they could click on it and obviously know what it is. So right now you wouldn't know what this is. One piece broken heart pattern casual. I'm already done reading. I don't even know what that is. I don't care about it. So if I'm typing in on Google balaclava mask, my stuff isn't gonna pop up, because you know that's not what's gonna be popped up on the search engine. But that doesn't matter, because we are on TikTok, guys. All I need people to do is go to my actual website and buy this product. So that is the products page. Pretty simple, guys. You can add how many you have in stock, so that you won't run out, or so that you won't get oversold. And also, guys, you can put collections. So we actually have to edit up these collections. So I have this camo collection right here, and as you can see, all the products are up under this camo selection are not even camo. It's pretty much all my products. So we have to go in here and make some changes to this. And actually, let's just go ahead and do it now. So instead of the camo collection, we're gonna do broken heart, okay? Because we have 2 different mags that are broken heart. So we're just gonna go ahead and put broken heart. Broken heart, and then change the description, guys. So we have, I'm gonna just say, so as you can see, man, we have our description put up, man, something simple, product tags, whatever. And then as you can see, we will take all of these products out. So let's just go ahead and click on them all, deselect all. Actually, hold on 1 second. Oh man, I can't massively pick all of them. Wow. But we're just gonna go ahead and move these products to get out of this collection. So after you're done with your collections changes and everything you want to do with your site, guys, you can easily go to your website right here, and you can see what your website looks like. Anything that you don't want, you can just easily go back and change it, guys. You can change everything that is wrong with your website through your Shopify online desktop site. And now let's go into, and then, guys, another thing about the email marketing is that you can easily go to your customers tab right here, as you can see on the left hand corner, and you can see all of your customers, man. You can see who's subscribed and who's not subscribed. So this is a big part. And as you can see, we have a lot of members that are browsing through the store, right? So you see 0 orders, 1 order, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. You know, you can see all these people that are browsing through the store and not buying anything. And then out of even the people that did buy things, guys, so we have 1 right here, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of these 6 people that did buy things, they didn't even put their email. But 2 people that didn't buy things put their email. And now I can easily go to the marketing tab and press over here, email marketing, guys, and I can send out a email. So actually, let me just go to the sample that I just created. Email for Christmas, the holiday, the perfect gift is here. And as you can see, it's scheduled for I believe tomorrow, but right here it says December 12th, so I have to change that. But yeah, guys, edit activity, and then you can see save money on Christmas shopping, and this is how it looks. So we have our product right here, and then we have shop now, and then at the bottom Shopify already gave us our holiday shopping tips, and then you have their business address and everything right there. So this is, you know, edit send time. Maybe I need to edit my send time. Okay, it's tomorrow for 9 p.m. so we're good on that, guys. So back to the site, man. Another thing that I wanted to go over with you guys is the actual orders, man. So let's get into how to fulfill these orders. So as you can see right here, we have all these orders unfulfilled, and some of them are paid, and we have this high risk of fraud. So once we go to this high risk of fraud, show you what that's all about. High risk of fraud detected. Before filling this order, please review the fraud analysis. So let's just review this fraud analysis. And characteristics of this order are similar to fraudulent orders observed in the past. So they might be using a fake card, or they might be scamming somebody else's information. So we're just not gonna fulfill that order. But let me just show you guys how to fulfill these orders, and let's get right to it. So as you can see, this person right here ordered a red balaclava, and I can just request fulfillment, and everything will go through Autods. So Autods, if you don't know already, and this might be the biggest point of the video, Autods is the company that you can use, guys. It does cost $370 per year for their services, but what this will allow you to do is to auto fulfill orders, and you can even auto upload orders on your Shopify website. So simply, you will go to Autods, man, and you would just simply connect your Amazon account. So not really, yes, you will connect your Amazon account, and then from your Amazon account at the top of the Amazon website, so you'll be on Amazon.com or Alibaba or even eBay, guys. Autods works with a lot of different, you know, big warehouse fulfillment companies, but let's just say Amazon. Once you're on Amazon's site, guys, at the top of the screen it'll say something like add to store. Okay, so once you click on the product that you want from Amazon, you can add it to store, and Autods will pretty much copy and paste everything that's on Amazon straight to your balaclava, or, you know, your pants store, or whatever you're trying to sell. It'll copy and paste all the information, all the descriptions, everything, the variants, the colors, everything right to your store, and then everything will be set up from there, guys. And then you can just request fulfillment and have Autods send out everything exactly from Alibaba or exactly from Amazon. And this is how you make the drop shipping with Autods. You would want to have them put everything on your store and have them fulfill all of your orders, and you're not doing anything. Like I said, it's $300 a year, and your Shopify store is $30 a month, guys. So instead of, you know, like you see right here, man, products on the floor, instead of fulfilling them, driving to the post office every other day and sending out orders, Autods can do all that for you, and it'll already have the profits and everything already organized for you. So that is the tip of the video, man. Go mess with Autods, get signed up today. And another thing before we end off this video that I want to go over with you guys is how to change up your store, right? So we're gonna go to our online store, and as you can see, if you press this, you can actually view your online store, and then anything on it, guys, you can actually edit it from here, I believe. So like right here, online sale, nothing found. So now, guys, I would just navigate to admin and go right there, but we're not gonna do that right now. Anyways, we're gonna exit out of that, but you would go to your online store tab, and you would simply see all the templates that Shopify has. So you can add themes, guys. These are the themes that they have. And actually, since this is a new, well, not really a new store, but since it is Christmas time, since things are picking up, I'm gonna go from this template right here, which is like for beauty products, as you can see, and this is how it looks on my end on my website. And I think I'm gonna upgrade it to this spotlight theme right here. So we actually already have the spotlight theme put up, and now we're just gonna try the theme out. And this is how you create your actual store and get your store organized and get it to looking the most professional way that you want it to. And this is one of the most important things also in drop shipping, because you want to have a nice looking store. You don't want to have a rookie elementary made looking store, because then people are not going to want to give you their money, guys. You want people to give you their money, so you want to look professional as possible. And so now we just added this, guys, so we're going to go customize this. And as you can see, actually, let me go back real quick. Went back too much. But as you can see down here, right, this is our online store right here. Boom, it's still the same, but we have the spotlight added. So at any point in time, I could go from the Don theme, which is what the Shopify first gives you. I can go to that theme, or the spotlight theme, or back to whatever this theme is called right here. But if we wanted to, we could do that, man. Like you see, edit default theme content, download theme file, rename, all of this stuff. So I can rename this to be main store theme or something like that. But I would just simply go right here to customize, and I would get everything down and dirty like how I want it. And as you can see, it's pretty much laid out exactly how I would want it. You know what I'm saying? We go to the home page, see what's on the home page, and this is the home page. So I'm not actually disappointed with this, because I want my store to just be like, okay, I'm here, what do I want to buy? Alright, these are all the products that they have. Let me buy this right now, right here. On this store right here, it's more confusing. Like, okay, I see that they're selling balaclavas, but how do I actually get to this black mask right here on the home page? How do I actually find that? And it's just kind of hard. So we're gonna change the theme to this right here, because everything's right here on the home page. You can easily go ahead and buy this bad boy. You see the pictures change when I click over it, man. You can change the heading, you can change the description, and pretty much everything is set from there. So we can go to the collections, create template. Like I said, I'm gonna move my collections later. And guys, if you want a full tutorial, like if you want a 20-30 minute long tutorial on everything you need to know about Shopify dropshipping, everything you need to know on how to organize your store the correct way, how to run ads, guys, I will make another video. All I need you to do is comment down below if you want to see that video on how to actually get down and dirty with this business. But that is it for today's video, man. I hope you found it useful. I hope it looked more easier than it actually sounds, guys. Dropshipping is not hard. All you have to do is get the Shopify website or download the app on your phone, add some products to it. But the first thing to do is to find that winning trending product. Once you find that trending product, man, like this, you want to advertise it on TikTok. You want to create a TikTok page, and you guys can go look at my TikTok right now. It's called balaclava.co on TikTok, because my first balaclava TikTok page got took down, so it's called balaclava.co, but the website is called balaclava.com with 2 L's. And guys, as you can see, man, you can make an easy $100 a week with just posting posts on TikTok. And like I said, Autods will do all the work for you. You can make this money completely passively. I mean, when I say completely passively, this is passive income. All you're doing is making a store. It might take you an hour and the first day. Make you a store, man. Organize your store. After that's done, man, connect Autods and everything will be set up for you. And in the next video, I will show you how to connect Autods, man. Like I said, just comment down below if you want to see that, when you want to see that. And if you want to see that, just comment ASAP. Just comment ASAP down below, man. Comment ASAP. ASAP if you want to see how to connect Autods and how to set up your full dropshipping store. But with all that being said, man, my name is KINGLATTA. This is Black Investor Group, where we make investing easy. I hope you learned something today. I hope I opened up your mind and made this dropshipping look easy to you, so now you can start making this easy money and even this passive income. But with all that being said, until tomorrow, we out. Woo!